Yeah, we have reversed the list. So it prints the Friday first day, then it skips two values. We have gave two. So it skips the Thursday, then it prints Wednesday, then it skips Tuesday, then print Monday. Like it skips two subset. First it prints first index Friday, then 1 2 Wednesday, 1 2 Monday. Like that it prints. Okay. Then we have to print the even days. We gave print list of 0 is 2 is to 2. We gave 0 0, so it prints Saturday. After it takes the entire list. Okay. First it prints Saturday, then skips Friday, 1 2 Thursday, 1 2 Tuesday, then Monday it skips Monday, then print a Sunday. Okay. Then we have sorted the list based on alphabetical order. So we are used a sort function. List dot operate sort function. Like that we have to sort the entire list. First, after sorting, we are printing the list. Then we are going to add some extend the list using extra elements. We are extending the list using extend function. We are sorting the list using sort function. It sorts according to the alphabetical order. We have used the sort function after given the list name and dot operator. Then we give sort function. Then it sorts according to the alphabetical order. Tuesday, Friday. Tuesday, Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday. Like that, sort the list. Then we are adding extra elements in the list using extend operator. First, we have to declare the another list in the program. We have declared birthday name list, and we have added three element is Monday, Friday, Saturday. Then we have to use extend function. We have given the list name already list name. Then we use the extend function. Then we give the extended list name. Then we print the list. It append at the last of the list, last of the existing list. Then we print the list. Then we have to count how many days in the entire list. So we use the length function. We have declared a variable named total days and assigned to length of the list. Then we print the number of days in the list using print function.
Hope you understand what is meant by list. See, normally what moment I will say is that we have list combinations of all days of the week. Starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And what he does is he is going to print the list from a given boundary value. As we already know that 3 is the name of your sorting boundary, and he doesn't do any upper boundary. So it prints the list from the index 3, and it prints to the last. Then what he does is he uses the term for print list. What does print list say? It prints every other list. Similar to that, print list of 1, 5, whatever. Next, we are going to use the function called reverse. What is the use of reverse? It reverses the given data. Next, we will be using the term called print list to show that the list is in reverse. Next, similarly, we are going to print after 1 list to 2 is nothing but we are going to print 1 with the outer boundary is nothing, but we want to print in term of 2. For example, I already said you should start from after reversing what happens? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What happens after reverse? Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Thursday, and Monday and Sunday. And then from the previous list, what does it do? We are going to print only 2. Starting from first number Friday. After Friday, what's next one? Wednesday. After Wednesday, what is Monday? So if you want to print next list, that is you want to print 2 hours after it. 2 hours after which you should give the value number 2. For example, when you take 0 as a value, it prints the odd number of days in a reverse order. In case you print 1, given an even number of days in a reverse order. Next, similar to extend, you want to merge 2 string. Okay, thank you.